Toppin is celebrating their 15th anniversary and they've announced a new DAC amplifier now. This is their DX9. This is going to be in celebration of their 15th anniversary in the audio business. This will be their flagship for this year. It's quite late in the year. That's when they are releasing this model. It's going to be priced at $1,200. It's not a cheap unit. It's not a cheap unit by any means for anyone right now. Look, its thing is coming with AKM flagship DAC chipsets inside. You're getting the AK4499 EQ chipsets inside. The fact that it also has a hybrid relay volume control. You will also have 6-channel discrete NFCA high performance headphone amplifier module design. It does have a DAC and headphone amplifier circuits that are powered independently. It's built really well. Aluminium shell casing, that's what you get. It's just a top-notch design where no matter how you want to look at it, it's one of the very, very best product that you can get your hands on. Toppin has been in business for so long. Like, I know 15 years is not too long in the audio business, especially when you compare to other brands. You have to understand that Toppin is a very, very reliable brand. When they came out in 2008, they had Iffy and Iffy Start. People didn't really like the build quality of their original products back then, the amplifiers from back then. People complained about failures and all that, but they fixed all their issues over the time and they built a very strong, reputable brand. I can tell you this. Toppin is by far the most reliable audio brand that I think I've owned personally. The reason I say this is that the amplifier I bought in 2017, I'm still using it seven I think that should be 7 years later, almost 7 years. Next year will make it 7 years. That's an incredible uh device, an amp that has battery inside. The original NX1. I still have their NX1 till date. That's how good this company is. They don't make crap. When they make a product and you buy their product, just know you're gonna have incredible longevity. It's very difficult for you to find anything they make that doesn't stand the test of time. If you take a look at the NX1 I got in 2017, it still looks almost like as new as something I got like last month. That's how good their product has been and has lasted. I just love the company. I think Toppin is the best audio company from China by far. So for them to release this new model, I think it's gonna be interesting for a lot of people. And they claim you could also pair it up with their with their standalone DACs if you want to do that, but you don't even need that because it has a DAC inside. It has a flagship design from ground up. It has an amplifier inside. It even has a dedicated remote control. So there isn't anything that you will seek that this unit doesn't have already to give you. Everything you need is here for you to enjoy. One other thing you also have is is a lot of power. So this thing has a lot of power to give. You can use it with your in-ear monitors. It will not have issues powering your in-ear monitors. And not only that, it does have a lot of digital inputs, such as your USB input. There is an optical input. There is coaxial inputs. There is Bluetooth that can even allow you to connect to the DX9. It makes it a very versatile DAC amplifier. I don't think you will complain when you have your hands on this unit. It does have everything that you certainly will need right now, especially when you compare it against other DACs from other brands in general. The other thing here is that there is even a line output, an independent line output. There are preamplifier outputs as well. It's XLR it has XLRs as well. So you get everything that you need. Now The other thing you will be looking at is the headphone amplifier output. It can deliver, like if you're going with a single-ended connection, it would deliver 550 milliwatts into 32 ohms, 60 milliwatts into 300 ohms, as well as as well as a lot more output when you are doing balance. Now in balanced, it will do 550 milliwatts into 32 ohms. It will do 60 milliwatts into 300 ohms, but this is quite surprising that they do maintain the same output for both balanced and unbalanced. That's the way they've designed this unit. That's really interesting. So these are all you need to know about the DX9 if you are interested in getting your hands on it and seeing if it's something that you want in your collection. I'm going to drop details for you guys down below if you want to get a look at it and see if it's a product that you want to have in your collection. Do subscribe to the channel, do like our content. I'll see you guys very much next